Add images to your website. You can add images to your website by using the image element and point to a specific images URL using the src attribute. An example would be shifting the key next to the M for that. img space source src equals http freephotoapp.com. Note that image elements are self-closing. All image elements must have an alt attribute. The text inside the alt attribute is used for screen readers to improve accessibility and is displayed if the image fails to load. If the image is purely decorative using an empty alt attribute, it's a best practice, Ideally, the alt attribute should not contain special characters unless needed. Let's add an alt attribute to our image example. So image src freephotoapp.com. Let's try to add an image to our website. With the existing main element, insert an image element before the existing P element. So, shift and the key next to the M. IMG SRC equals inverted commas. Now set the source to that it points to the URL. Right, so we need to copy and paste that wee bit there. So Control C, Control V. Hey, and then we got a cat. Finally, don't forget to give your image element an alt attribute with applicable text. So when you do that, and then alt equals picture of a small cat. So that's what will be displayed. Picture of a small cat. If that isn't displayed, if that picture isn't displayed, the alt attribute will just say picture of a small cat. So it's describing what it should have been. Finally, don't forget to give your image. Right, okay. So run tests. Yabba dabba doo. Moving on. So let's make sure that's running. Aye. So links to external pages with anchor elements. You can use an A anchor element to link to content outside your web page. A elements need a destination web address called an href attribute. So hyperlink reference attribute it means. They also need anchor text. Here's an example. A hyperreference equals https www.freecodecamp.org. Then your browser will display the text. This links to freecodecamp.org as a link you can click, and the link will take you to the web address freecodecamp.org. Create an A element that links to http freecatphotoapp.com and has a cat photos as its anchor text. Now, right, so I need that there, Control C, so I need shift and the key next to the M, A, href equals inverted commas, with that there, so create an A element that links to right, and has cat. Right, so that's not how you do it. Run test. Your A element should have the anchor text of cat photos. Your A element should have a closing tag test completed. Wait a minute. Ahref equals https